There are two things. One is Adi, second is Vyadhi. Vyadhi pertains to the physical body. Adi pertains to the diseases of the mind. If the mind is happy, cheerful, healthy, not carrying grudges against anybody, cheerful, then that body will naturally be healthy. See, this is very important. All those people who have got these various kinds of things, like the diabetes and blood pressure and then the heart problem and all things, it's only because their mind is not at peace. Keep the mind at peace. And what is the mind at peace? This is what tapasya tells. Be cheerful and happy. Don't complain. Things are accepted as they are. See? Because when the mind is disturbed, our endocrine system is completely upset. And therefore, our digestion goes in sixes. And when the digestion is not good, there is no proper maintenance of the body and all the diseases start coming. Therefore, please remember always to be cheerful and happy. This is the highest spiritual practice. All the time worried, I am worried. Vijvara buddhi, the jvara, the unhealthy condition, the disease, the fever of the buddhi is this, all the time worried, frustrated, angry, dejection. See, Vijvara, relax, be cheerful and happy. My dear friends, all those who are hearing, remember this. Real spiritual practice is be happy and cheerful. I am not giving you complicated mantras. Om Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Vandanan Mrityor Mokshiyamamratat. I am not telling you big mantras. I am not telling you do Gayatri Japa. No. Simple thing. Be happy. And then the Kalakshapanam. And how will you spend the time? Then chant this mantra, learn Sanskrit, study the scriptures, spend time, which will bring you back to yourself. Don't spend the time to run away from yourself. What we do, in fact, is we are running away from ourselves. We have to come back to ourselves. That is our essential nature. From spirituality point of view, learn. What is that? Why are you running away from yourself? Be at peace with yourself. When we go from one place to another place to third place to fourth place, we are actually running away from ourselves. If you are with yourself, time, space and object will not disturb you. Then Mahamantra, wherever I am, space. Whenever I am, time. Whatever I am, object. I am 100%. You are in meditation. Then you will not be disturbed. So when you are taking food, you are enjoying food. See? When you are taking a cup of tea, you are enjoying cup of tea. When you go for a walk, you enjoy walk. In short, every expression of life will be abundantly bathing in the experience of joy and happiness. Not coming from outside, but from within.